What would you do? What would any of you be willing to do? Would you brave the weird and haunted shores at world's end to fetch back witty Jack?
Welcome to Singapore.
Did no one come to save me just because they missed me?
There was a time when a pirate was free to make his own way in the world. But our time is coming to an end.
Why should I sail with any of you? 4 of you have tried to kill me in the past. 1 of you succeeded.
It would never have worked out between us.
Keep telling yourself that, darling. They know they face extinction. All that remains is where they make their final stand.
Will you marry me?
I don't think now's the best time!
You're mad.
If I wasn't, this would probably never work.